Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to distribute apps through Managed Distribution. Managed Distribution allows applications purchased through Apple's volume purchasing program to be assigned to devices without requiring a user to enter an Apple ID. Before we begin, be sure that your Jamf Pro instance is integrated with Apple's volume purchasing program. If you have questions, be sure to check out the link in the resources titled Volume Purchasing Integration. We also need to make sure that licenses have been purchased for the app being distributed, even if it's a free app. For this example, I'm using Microsoft Word. Under the Computers tab, click Mac Apps. Click New in the top right. With Mac App Store selected, click Next. In the search field, enter the name of the app. Let's ensure the correct country or region is selected, and then click Next. Find the app in the list of search results, and then click Add. Here we have the option to assign the app to a category, customize update settings, and select the distribution method. For my example, I'm installing the app automatically. Next, click the Manage Distribution tab. In order to utilize the purchased licenses for this app and avoid having users enter their Apple ID, we must select Assign Content Purchased in Volume. Once selected, ensure that the associated volume purchasing location has been selected and that the license information is correct. After verifying the information, click the Scope tab and assign it to the desired computers. For my example, I'm selecting all computers. Finally, click Save on the bottom right to distribute the app to the target computers. Thanks for watching.